Hi, my name's Tim Mackey, and I'm a field systems engineer with Yamaha Unified Communications. We're here in Dallas today at the E4 Experience event, and we're going to take a quick look at the Yamaha Adecia rMW wireless microphone system. This is a very new, I think it's about 6 months old now, with the latest DEC 6.0 and a lot of technology under the hood. Yamaha did their homework here. We took a long, hard look at the other solutions out there in this space and kind of parsed together the best features and included some really new ones as well. So there's three main pieces to the system. You have the antenna and DSP wireless access system, which is fully PoE, 15 watts from our switch. You have the standalone charger base with advanced multi-mic pairing. You push one button, it pairs all the system at once when you're doing the installation. And we have three mic styles. There will be some more down the road, but we currently have a 12-inch gooseneck, a 6-inch gooseneck. We have a directional microphone with a single mute button, and we have our Omni. Now, the beauty part of this is you grab the microphone, you're going to set it on the table. It takes usually about 2 or 3 flashes, and it'll pair with the antenna, and then unmute the mic, and you are off to the races. So really advanced. You can do up to 64 microphones in a single space with this technology. With our controller, you can do up to 32 mics using the rMCR. We have lithium-ion batteries in here. We're good for well over 20 hours of talk time. But here's the cool part. They added a USB-C charging port. You know, the big rub on wireless was always, hey, what do you do when the batteries are low? Well, now you simply plug it into your Apple Cube or your computer, any USB-C power source, and it will charge the mic, and you can talk 24/7 and keep going. Again, there's nothing better than getting a microphone as close as you can to your mouth. When someone says, what's the best you can do? You're looking at it right here. When you walk in a room and you get a directionalized microphone within close proximity to the participant, you are going to have world-class audio. And there you go, that microphone is now unmuted. Now, this is just one of the microphone solutions that you can use within the Adecia family. And again, all the really advanced features you'd want within these systems are in there. You can create separate mute groups. And here's the big plus. There's a full 8-channel DSP within the wireless access point antenna. So that's the whole beauty of the Yamaha solution, is we now put the DSP in the mics themselves. So I could have this microphone on a lectern, and maybe there's a fan there. I can put extra noise suppression on that mic. I could have this microphone somewhere else in the room, and maybe I want a little extra mid-range or treble. It are fully adjustable. Again, Yamaha is a music company by heart, so the level of granular adjustability is there. So the key here is these systems are all fully automated and auto-tuning. Out of the box, you get great audio. But if you need to log in there and do extra stuff you would typically do in a normal DSP, you can do that as well. So if you want to know more about the rMW system and some of our other solutions, please come see us at uc.yamaha.com. Thank you very much.